Whoop. What the hell, dude? Holy moly, man. Well, that's a little bit broken. Yo, oh my god.
So we can break apart to hear me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this.
What's going on, guys? It's your most active YouTuber, Hydrate here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I have for you guys a global video on ManaCube where I go around and just show off some of the struggles that I've had on every single game mode. Hope you guys all can relate to some of these scenarios. And if you guys want, I may actually post a actual video or a guide of me going into every game mode and just showing you guys the tips and tricks of all of them. So if you want that, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out. Yeah, where is he?
Somewhere. Amazing.
Shoot.
Somewhere.
That's not him.
I see you, Hydro. Need assist.
Yeah, I need assist, dude. Need assist. Oh my.
You have assist?
What? Didn't he throw his ender pearl? Don't kill him.
Okay.
You already put him on fire, man. This man's already dead. What? This guy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're now chasing Fade Plays. Apparently he's a hacker, so we're gonna fight him because we love fighting hackers, right? Let's get him. Hold on. Oh god, wait, I don't want to fight him in the water. Hold on, I'm gonna get close. Up close. Uh-oh. Can we try to? Oh my god.
Oops.
Oof.
No problem.
Oof. Wait, don't kill him, don't kill him.
Fine.
Oh.
Shoot him.
You just play with them. No. Back off. Ooh. Dude, I wanna actually fight him, not get him in the water, dude. Stop swimming, man. Stop swimming. I might have to kill him. Let's find him again, guys. Oh, is that him? Oh, it's not.
That guy by hockey.
Think so?
You got it.
Wait, Fade Plays. Come. Just come watch. Alright, Fade Plays. Here we go. No, oh my god. Lag. No escape this time. Oof. Blatant.
Have you gone to anything?
Oof.
Oh, he's dead. Not surprised.
I don't see you. Oh, you're behind.
Wait, are they all hogging? The fuck?
Oh shoot! Look at this man's bow. Oh, he don't know how to hit though. Oh, never mind.
You don't know how to hit.
Yeah, I thought. Oh.
Never mind.
Oh, he got me with that moving bow shot, man. What is that?
Just you can. Look at him. He's shooting while running.
Oh yeah. Let me fight him.
Team Parkour
Ooh,
versus Team
this guy he always takes a second to like get his sword out. Oh, there you go.
PP longer.
Hey, my friend. Hold on, do you have an ender pearl? Do you have a pearl?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, let me try to get up there. I want to fist fight him.
Good luck dying.
Thanks.
Good luck dying.
Fade play. Oh my god, dude.
Want me to finish you?
He never misses.
Oh.
Look at him. Wait, hold on. Ooh. He has like a trigger bar or something. Look at that, dude. He can't even turn around.
He's almost dead.
And then let him kill me. Yeah, wait, let's kill him first. Alright, I'm gonna actually try to kill him now. What? Oh my god, yo, where'd he come from?
I'm using archery support.
Katniss. Wait, bow only. Oh no! Wait, is he gonna auto armor the stuff? Let's see. He didn't pick it up. Oh,
Yeah,
he did. Wait, he stopped though. Alright guys, it's time to make our house. Let's do it, Factions. You ready? We're gonna make the bomb house and we're gonna get an A on the freaking grade. Okay, let's do it. And then we can do something like this. Nice. Alright, and then we can do that. Come on, you gotta help me make a roof too. We gotta make a really nice house. It has to look good.
Okay.
Then we can do
nice
door.
house.
There we go. Oh my god. Dude, this is a 5-star hotel right here. 5-star.
I know, right?
Boom. We got, what do you call it? Let's just have a glass roof. I know everybody wants that. And then we can have some bed inside. Hold on. Oh, shoot. We don't want granite beds. Okay, and then we can just have a lava floor, right? Oh no. Dude, why is it saying I'm like getting all these achievements? Dude, how the hell am I winning achievements? Alright, boom, 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 boom. No, I'm getting like random achievements. Minecraft achievements. Okay. And then what else can we put in a 5-star hotel?
Flower pot.
A flower pot? Of all things, you want to put a flower pot? Okay, let's do that then. Yo, what's a chorus flower?
Oh, what?
A chorus flower. I'm pretty sure it's chorus flower. What? Oh, I need endstone? Wait, I just want to see what this looks like. Uh-oh.
Point.
What? Oh, I want that. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna fix this
What?
redstone.
Doesn't even grow. What the hell, dude? Why does it grow like that? Alright, so let's make the farm over there. So now we have a really cool farm in front of the 5-star house. Ooh, we put a cactus in here. Nice, dude. And then now we're gonna finally top this off. It's a nice little piece of obsidian. Oh, what? Can't use end crystal? Oh man, that sucks. Yo, there's so many blocks. Oh my god, what is that, dude? Yo, it's like that's some technology stuff right there, you know what I'm saying? Go put that over there. Ooh. And then we can just do a nice little chest. I think that's it, man. Oh wait, we need a chair at least. Boom. There you go. 5-star hotel. I hope I got an A on this plot because, you know, it's godlike. And look at this too. We got some of that stuff over there that I made a long time ago. What the hell is that? Oh, that's where you jump off an elytra. Alright guys, and then for the finishing final touch, we can put a sign right here that says, please give me the A. There we go. Look, and it comes with the little factions inside too. That's what the 5-star hotel comes with. Enjoy. What? Yo, how do you, oh, okay, I was about to say, how do you go in my house, man? There we go. Oh. What the hell is going on, dude? Oh shit, don't kill me, don't kill me. Dude, why is there fall damage, man? Oh, at least I keep my stuff. Yo, I keep my stuff. That's cool.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go PvP. Can we PvP here?
Yes.
Oh, I don't think there's anyone here, huh?
No.
Yeah, probably nobody
Maybe
here.
Like,
Oh, okay. Well, let's go make a house. Let's go see what's on our island. Actually, I've never been here before. Ooh. Yo, what's that? No, stop TPing me to you, dude. Why are you TPing me to you? How do I go back?
slash back.
Yo, how do I have a bodyguard? Oh, what the hell, bro? You're not supposed to kill me. Why are you killing me for? Dude, you're my bodyguard, man. What you doing? Oh my god. Yo, back off, bro. Who even named him that? Oh well. Looks like it doesn't even look like I have anything. What's that? Check the treehouse for a chest full of items. Yo, where the treehouse? Oh, up here. Is there something cool up here? Oh. Oh, 3 diamonds. Yes. And guess what? Oh, it didn't give us any dirt. Rip. Well, we have enough stone to make the Godstone house. And then, uh-oh. There we go. We don't even need a door either. It's just a stone box. We're now here on the Mega Islands. Wait, I don't even know why I call it Mega Islands, but let's just go check out what's happening. I don't know why the entire floor is made out of iron blocks, but oh my god, that is cool. And I did not. Wait, is this? Oh, I thought this was just not loaded in. What can we do here? What's fun on here? Do you know anything?
Survival.
What? No, I'm talking about on islands. I have to play survival on island. Oh, on an island.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess so. Yeah, that's cool though. There's some little farms
Only difference
everywhere.
is limited area.
Limited area. Yeah. I wonder how long it took to make all this. Ooh, vast. Ah, mine vast. Okay, guys. So we found a bank. We're gonna go get some money out now, so we can go invest in another dirt house. Let's go see if we. What the hell? Yo, where's the villager? He's not even here, man. He like just ditched. He was like, yo, I ain't coming to work today, bro. I'm outie. Look. Look. Yo, what the hell, man? How are we supposed to get the money then? I need the money. We can't break in either. We have an ender pearl. What happened, dude? The guy didn't come to work or something. Well, I guess we're not making our dirt house today. You guys, time to hit up some parkour. Oh, you're an adept already? How you get adept? Why you say noob, dude? I'm not a noob. I'm not even a noob. Okay, let's just do some parkour. Oh wait, yo, how I get this armor? Ooh, looks good. All right, yo, how do we do it? Can we go in a parkour? Oh, easy map only, dude. Oh wait, what? Where's all the map? Oh, there we go. Lucky block. Normal mode. Are you here? Yo, one shot Nico here too. Alright, yo, don't do that one. I want to do the cake. You ready? We're race, okay? Okay, get ready. 3, 2. Yeah, I did. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit. That's triggering, dude. Come on, come on. Oh my god, man. Dude, the carpet is so weird. Oh no. Oh no. They're beating me. Oh. Checkpoint, checkpoint. Boom. Oh, flawless gameplay. Flawless. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. No. Whoa, dude. So close.
I completed it.
You serious?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm gonna be second place. Yes, we won, guys. GG. I got a. Why did I get 15 mana and then I got 7 mana and then I got 8 mana? Okay. Okay, guys. So every day when I come on Olympus, we gotta claim our kingdoms, you know. So if we do slash kingdom, we gotta go make sure our workers are doing good. Claim resources ready and no. Okay, that's nice. Can we claim? You already own this worker. Oh, okay. Kit mana 1. Let's just claim all our mana. Boom, boom. We have what? 3,500, and we have 7 of these. So let's give them to our friend over here. Here we go. Here you go, sir. Sir, please take them. Come on, man. There you go. Oh yeah, he knows now. All right, guys. So if you ever play Olympus, you gotta make sure you get the VIP rank. Because if you come over here, this is probably the best mine of all time. You're probably gonna get to God if you come to this mine like 10 times. But it resets in like every like what 40 minutes or something like that. So it takes a really long time, but it's really freaking OP. And also we got some tips over here, right, Nico? So the best pickaxe you want to get is once you hit efficiency 25. Is it 25 or what do you want to upgrade first? So let's just say we start with kit starter pickaxe. Wait, where's the kit starter pickaxe? Hello? Yo, how do you do the kit starter? Kits. Oh, it's kit pickaxe. Okay, so we start out with efficiency 10, unbreaking 20. So what should we upgrade first? What should we upgrade first?
Yeah. You should get efficiency 4 and no, efficiency 16 and haste 4. You can mine blocks in midair.
What do you say so energetically? Can't even say that word. Wait, so okay, so you want to get efficiency what 15, right?
16.
16
And haste 4.
and haste 4, and then what happens after you upgrade those two?
You go for fortune.
Nice. I like that. That's a good idea.
Explosive.
Alright, so once you upgrade your haste and your efficiency, and then you start getting your fortune a little bit higher, you'll notice that you'll start getting, you know, a lot more mana faster. Then once you get enough mana, you should actually just start buying explosive first, because that's a really good enchant. Even though it doesn't give you mana like for the blocks that it explodes, it's still really good for selling. You don't really need auto sell until, you know, you have like spare mana that you can use, and then you might as well pick this up. You don't need auto blocking at all, so don't really waste your mana on this unless you have, you know, unless you don't really have anything else to spend it on. And speed is just up to you actually, if you want speed or not. I love speed actually on my pickaxe. I have what? Yeah, speed 3. Speed is great. And I'm gonna show you guys how fast this pickaxe mines. So we have a, I'm going mine 3. So we have a pickaxe that's efficiency 69. We got fortune 25, which is max. Haste 20, which is max. So here we go. So as you can see, I'm mining it so fast right now. And then since I have auto sell, the server is just gonna auto sell the stuff in my inventory. Boom, we got an easy 360 grand. And yeah, we just keep doing this all day for how many hours? 148 hours, and we will be the god. One,